Hi, my name is Marielle and I hope this video is really fast because I have a truly shared space on my phone, so let's start. First of all, I have to choose a bone to explain, and I already choose the femur, and the femur is a large bone. So I'm here and I have this diagram to explain better the parts of this type of bone. Well, first of all, we have this part that it's called articular cartilage, is this one from here, and in this case this bone has two articular cartilage, is this one that it's on the top of the bone, and this other one right here that it's at the bottom. This articular cartilage is located between the connection of two bones. Then we have the epiphysis. We can see it right here, and also it has two parts of epiphysis, that is this one, and the distal epiphysis, that is at the bottom of the bone. It's right here. It's this part. Okay, so then we have to talk about metaphysis, that it's the part between the epiphysis and the diaphysis, and it's located right here. As you can see, it is separated with another color, well, with other line, and also here at this part. This is the metaphysis. So then we have the diaphysis, that it's the part like at the center of the bone, is this part from here to here. Okay, so as I was telling you, I choose the femur to talk about. Okay, so as I told you before, we have to talk about the femur. Well, the femur is the only tight bone. It serves as a fixation point for all the muscles that exert their force on the joints of hip and knee, and also some biarticular muscles which cross the two joints, such as the twin muscles and plantaris. For being more specific, in total 22 individual muscles either originate or insert into the femur. Well, the type is divided in three compartments. These compartments use the femur as an axis and are separated by haired connective tissues that are called septa. Each of these compartments has its own blood and nerve supply and contains a different group of muscles. Okay, so these compartments are called anterior, medial, and posterior. Then I have to talk about osteoporosis. Well, first of all, the definition of this illness. Well, osteoporosis is an skeletal disease in which there is a decrease in bone mass density. So the bones become more porous, increases the number and size of cavities inside them, and also the existing cells. So this become the bones more fragile, it resists worse blows and break more easily. Another thing I have to do in this video is to talk about three stuff that make the people like, I don't know if this is like this in English, but more propense to have this illness, but I also choose 3 because I think it's something important to mention. So the first one is the gender, because women are at higher risk for osteoporosis than men. Then it's genetic, because having a family history of osteoporosis. And the third one is race, because Caucasian and Asian women are higher risk for osteoporosis. And that's it.